Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code is 0x80245006. So how to fix this problem? So firstly you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. TROU. You see this troubleshoot settings, open it. Other troubleshoots, just click on it. Here you see this Windows Update, click on Run. And wait some few minutes till this process will be complete. Now close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video, this method will be workful or not, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.